Are you looking to export vulnerability data from Tenable.io but not sure where to start? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're handling vulnerabilities for your network or preparing a report, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export vulnerability data from Tenable.io without a hassle. Before we dive in, I want to mention that you can use Tenable.io completely for free with our exclusive bonuses. All you need to do is check out the first link in the description below. It's an opportunity you won't want to miss, especially if you're just getting started with Tenable. Let's get into it. First, to export vulnerability data from Tenable.io, log into your account. If you're new to Tenable.io, the dashboard will look pretty straightforward, but if you're unsure where to start, just follow along. Next, go to the Vulnerabilities tab in the menu. This is where you'll find all the vulnerabilities that Tenable.io has identified in your environment. You can see the severity levels, affected assets, and more. This will give you an overview of the vulnerabilities you need to address. The third thing you'll want to do is filter the data. You can choose which vulnerabilities to export by using the filtering options on the left side. You can filter by severity, asset type, plugin ID, and more. Once you've set the filters, you'll have a more targeted dataset for export, which is exactly what you need if you're dealing with specific vulnerabilities. Now, the next thing is to click on the Export button at the top of the Vulnerabilities page. You'll get a couple of export options, such as CSV or PDF. I recommend CSV if you're looking to further manipulate or analyze the data in a spreadsheet application like Excel. After selecting CSV, Tenable.io will generate the file for you. Depending on the size of the data, it might take a moment, but once it's done, the file will be ready for download. Simply click the Download button and the data will be saved to your local machine. The last thing to mention is that you can also automate this process with Tenable.io's API if you need to regularly export vulnerability data. This is perfect for integrating into your security monitoring tools or for automating reporting workflows. To wrap things up, exporting vulnerability data from Tenable.io is simple once you know where to look. Just log in, filter your vulnerabilities, hit export, and you're done. If you haven't already, make sure to check out Tenable.io through the first link below to grab our exclusive free trial offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that extended free trial through the link below to get started with Tenable.io today.